Hello and welcome back to Everyday Relaxing English. I'm Cassie.
And I'm Eric. Thank you for joining us again today.
This podcast is a calm place to listen to English in a natural way. There's no studying here, no pressure, and no need to understand everything.
You can listen while you're resting at home, doing something simple, or getting ready to sleep. You don't need to focus too hard.
If English learning has ever felt stressful for you, this podcast is here to slow things down.
We believe that listening calmly and regularly can help English feel more familiar over time.
In each episode, we explore a quiet, everyday situation that people experience in real life.
We listen to how people speak naturally when they're relaxed and comfortable.
Today's episode takes place in the evening.
It's a calm moment at home after a long day.
It's the time when people change into comfortable clothes, prepare a simple dinner, or just sit down and rest.
So wherever you are right now, take a breath, get comfortable, and let's begin.
Before we listen to today's conversation, let's imagine the scene together. Picture an evening at home, just after the day has ended. The light outside is softer now. The sky is starting to change color, and the room feels quieter than before. Maybe a lamp is turned on. The main lights are still off. Everything feels slower.
Imagine two people at home together. They've both finished work for the day, and there's no rush anymore. One of them might be sitting on the sofa. The other might be in the kitchen, making something simple to eat. There's no big plan for the evening. They're just enjoying being home.
You might hear small sounds in the background. A kettle boiling. Plates being placed on the table. A chair moving slightly. This is the time of day when people talk less and relax more.
The conversation you'll hear today is gentle and unhurried. The sentences are simple, and the voices are calm. As you listen, you don't need to follow every word. Just notice the rhythm of the conversation.
This is everyday English. The kind people use when they feel safe and at ease.
Now, let's listen to the conversation.
You're finally home.
Yeah. It was a long day.
You look tired.
I am. I didn't realize how busy today would be.
Do you want to sit down for a bit?
Yeah, that would be nice. I just need a moment.
I'll finish making dinner. It won't take long.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
No problem. How was work today?
It was fine. Just a lot of small things to deal with.
Those days can feel longer than usual.
Exactly. Nothing bad happened, but it was tiring.
Do you want tea or water?
Tea would be great.
I'll make some now.
It feels good to be home.
Yeah. Home always feels different in the evening.
It's quieter. And there's no rush.
I like evenings for that reason.
Me too. I don't like doing too much at night.
Same here. I prefer simple things.
What are you making for dinner?
Just something light. Nothing complicated.
That sounds perfect.
You can change into something comfortable if you want.
I think I will. I don't want to stay in work clothes.
That always helps you relax.
It really does.
Dinner will be ready in about 10 minutes.
Great. I'll be back soon. This tea smells nice.
It's the one you like.
You remembered.
Of course.
Thanks. I needed this.
You can take your time.
I will.
Do you have any plans for tonight?
Not really. I just want to rest.
That sounds like a good plan.
Sometimes doing nothing is the best thing.
I agree.
I think evenings should be quiet.
Me too. It helps the day end gently.
Now, let's listen one more time.
You're finally home.
Yeah. It was a long day.
You look tired.
I am. I didn't realize how busy today would be.
Do you want to sit down for a bit?
Yeah, that would be nice. I just need a moment.
I'll finish making dinner. It won't take long.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
No problem. How was work today?
It was fine. Just a lot of small things to deal with.
Those days can feel longer than usual.
Exactly. Nothing bad happened, but it was tiring.
Do you want tea or water?
Tea would be great.
I'll make some now.
It feels good to be home.
Yeah. Home always feels different in the evening.
It's quieter. And there's no rush.
I like evenings for that reason.
Me too. I don't like doing too much at night.
Same here. I prefer simple things.
What are you making for dinner?
Just something light. Nothing complicated.
That sounds perfect.
You can change into something comfortable if you want.
I think I will. I don't want to stay in work clothes.
That always helps you relax.
It really does.
Dinner will be ready in about 10 minutes.
Great. I'll be back soon. This tea smells nice.
It's the one you like.
You remembered.
Of course.
Thanks. I needed this.
You can take your time.
I will.
Do you have any plans for tonight?
Not really. I just want to rest.
That sounds like a good plan.
Sometimes doing nothing is the best thing.
I agree.
I think evenings should be quiet.
Me too. It helps the day end gently.
That conversation felt very gentle and unhurried. Nothing special really happened, and that's what made it feel real. It sounded like a moment people experience every day.
Yes, it felt very natural. Two people spending time together without needing a big reason. Just sitting, talking, and enjoying the moment.
I think English learners don't always hear this kind of conversation. Many examples feel too busy or too dramatic. But real life is usually much quieter than that.
That's true. Most conversations are simple and relaxed. They don't need excitement to feel meaningful.
I also noticed how slow the conversation was. There was no pressure to reply quickly. Everyone took their time to speak.
Yes, the pauses were important. Silence didn't feel awkward at all. It felt comfortable and calm.
That's something learners often worry about. They feel they must answer immediately. But real conversations don't work like that.
Exactly. Pauses give you time to think. They help conversations feel more natural.
The sentences were very simple too. Short phrases, everyday words. Nothing complicated or difficult.
And that's how people usually speak. They don't plan every sentence. They just say what feels right.
I liked phrases like, "It was a long day," or, "That sounds perfect." They sound natural and easy to remember. You might hear them often in daily life.
Yes, and you don't need to understand every word. Listening for the feeling is enough. Understanding will come naturally over time.
That's why we didn't ask you to repeat anything. There were no exercises or questions. This time is just for listening.
We want you to feel relaxed. To let the sounds of English flow naturally. No pressure, no expectations.
If you listen like this regularly, English starts to feel familiar. The rhythm becomes easier to follow. Your confidence grows quietly.
And confidence doesn't come from rushing. It comes from comfort and repetition. From hearing English again and again.
So if today felt slow, that's a good thing. Slow listening helps your mind rest. And learning happens naturally in the background.
Yes. Just keep listening, gently and patiently. English will slowly become part of your everyday life.
Thank you for spending this calm evening moment with us.
We hope this episode helped you slow down and relax.
If this kind of English feels comfortable for you, you're always welcome to come back and listen again.
And if there's a real-life situation you'd like to hear next, maybe cooking dinner, getting ready for bed, or a quiet conversation at home, you can leave a comment and let us know.
We really enjoy hearing your ideas.
Until next time, take care of yourself.
And we'll see you in the next episode of Everyday Relaxing English.